Dear all, my presentation is about ocean level stabilization by increasing water storage on continents. As you know, we have big issues with climate change, and sea level is rising. It creates a big problem all over the world. At the same time, it creates big opportunities for this region of Central Asia. Where we have a lot of problem with water resources. Our lakes as Caspian, Aral, and Balkhash are shrinking. They're decreasing in size. At the same time, it creates big opportunities because we have a lot of space for water storage. So you may see here in this part of Arctic Ocean, we may have a potential big ocean level rise because of a glacier melting, and this area could be good for water storage on continents. And you may see on this side, it will be difficult to store a big amount of water because the Great Lakes does not allow to store big amount of water, and water level on big lakes are stable. And ocean level rise creates a lot of problems, a lot of financial losses, and a lot of engineering expenses to construct different type of systems. And expenses could be up to $1 trillion per year. And if we use these rules, which recommend by United Nations, so that $1 invested in advance may save up to $6 on emergency damage prevention cost, it could be about $160 billion per year. So this potential amount of money could be invested, and other countries could invest on the project which will work on the ocean level stabilization. And so yes, I said potentially this area you may see has a big chance to provide a very competitive proposals. And if we build some systems which will collect water here, it will be with reasonable expenses comparing, for example, to this region between Canada and United States. It may cost more. And at the same time, if we compare, for example, these two regions, United States spends a lot of money now, and it will spend much more because of this ocean level rise and all these hurricanes and all this climate change and very expensive cities like New York and Florida. And they have a lot of problems now, and they will have even more problems, and it will cost a lot of money. So, but current President Trump, he does not participate in the Paris Agreement, but all this disaster event will force anyway to spend a lot of money. So, and Trump potentially will cooperate on all this type of project related to sea level rise. So it could be a good opportunity for Central Asia to propose this type of cooperation. And here on Central Asia, we have a lot of problems also on Caspian Lake. So a lot of oil and gas companies have problems, and we have another big proposal to invest $50 billion to produce hydrogen. So it will be reasonable to get more water from this region. And you may see Ural and Volga River, it's moving this way naturally. So if we make small connections here by pipeline system, water may move by itself to Caspian Lake. And also Russia has a big issues now, and a lot of money are frozen, about $300 billion, and nobody can use this money. So this money could be used for this type of project also. And this effort requires a lot of marketing, promotion activities. We're targeted to participate on United Nations event in France, in New York, and in KBTU will host a similar event, and we hope to set up United Nations branch in Kazakhstan. And so our president is targeted to have a climate event in 2026, and we hope to have United States branch which will work on ocean level stabilization and dedicated to water deposition of continents. So these are our contacts. Please join our efforts. It could be a big opportunity for Central Asia. Thank you very much.